Are you ready to lace up your hiking boots, feel the earth beneath your feet, and embark on a journey that connects you with the simple beauty of nature? Walking and hiking are not just exercises. They are experiences that allow you to explore some of the most amazing places on our planet. We begin our journey in South America, where the Inca Trail takes you through rainforests, past ancient ruins, and ends at the majestic Machu Picchu. For those looking for the ultimate trekking challenge, the Everest Camping Trek promises an adventure through the Himalayas. Experience Sherpa culture, breathtaking views, and the thrill of reaching the base of the world's highest peak. In the far reaches of Patagonia, Torres del Paine National Park is a walker's paradise. The Appalachian Trail is a long-distance hiker's dream. The trail stretches from Georgia to Maine, offering views of a variety of landscapes, from dense forests to majestic mountains. Italy's Cinque Terre is a collection of 5 delightful coastal villages interconnected by a network of hiking trails. So grasp your backpack, don your sturdy hiking boots, and prepare to embark on foot into the world's most extraordinary landscapes. Your next thrilling escapade awaits.